Life keeps rolling on. Life keeps rolling on. Life keeps rolling on and on. Keeps rolling on.
I've made a career at the motor store. It's been more than keeps rolling on. We sell a lot of cars and
Keeps rolling on and on.
And with every car I sell, each person has a tale to tell. Working here, I've learned a lot about life. How life
Keeps rolling on. You can't stop or slow it down. We're all just along for the ride. All you can do is enjoy the drive.
A man walks in, he can't be 24. He looks lost once he's past the door. He says hello. His hair's a little long, he's got snow on his chin. He tries to hide a nervous grin. I say hello. Rolling on motors, we got all you need to keep up with life's changing speeds. Tell me, sir, what can I get for you today?
I need a car that gets from A to B. Hopefully with good fuel efficiency. Nothing in a rusty any color would be fine. It doesn't have to have any fancy stuff, and I hope it doesn't cost too much. I got a good job, gotta get me there on time. This life keeps pulling me along for a ride, and I think I need something new to drive.
Another man wipes his shoes in the mat. On this cloudy day, he wears a baseball cap and says hello. A golf shirt tucked into a pair of jeans. His hair's cut short and his shaven clean. I say hello. Rolling on motors, we got all you need to keep up with life's changing speeds. Tell me, sir, what can I get for you today?
Only for something with an extra low. I got 3 kids and their bags in tow. It needs a GPS